struggle with cutting up my own vegetables, and this one isn't too bad, but no, peeling potatoes is something I usually leave to my partner, and I do buy those small bags of cut up vegetables because it's so much easier than having to to peel and chop up my own.
I would probably not even peel them at all. I would probably just leave the skin on, just because it's just so frustrating to peel. These packets are really easy to open, so completely fine. But yeah, have pigs every night, so I always go for a packet, which is so bad. But packaging, look, these ones are okay. I just rip with my teeth. I literally do this every night because I literally have these every night. Because peeling stuff is just really difficult. For me, needing 2 hands to peel, I can peel without hand, but the hard thing is holding it to be able to peel. And then I always cut myself with a peeler, always. I'm banned from them. And then it's just so, I can do that, but that's gonna take me forever and I don't have the patience for it. That's too much.
I'm trying to be careful I don't lose the content. I sit it up in that top kitchen drawer like that, and then cover on top. And then I can pull it out and hold it when I'm going. The only way I can peel that is to use a kitchen station that has a prop where you can tighten in the vise and then try and peel it. I use a different type of peelage one that goes that way. That single, I just pull it back like that. Station which has a vise to put vegetables in so you can chop them up. Yeah, it's mainly for vegetables or fruit.